speaking about haunted stuff a while back. That church right there, I don't know if you guys can make that out or not. So I got a good story for that one actually. What's going on, everybody? SRT8 boost, kicking it live in the Turbo Challenger. Just ripping it up north. Thought I'd bring you guys for a rep, have a little talk, see what's good. Hope life's treating you all good. I'm happy we're really picking up with work again. It was you know, kind of it was a little bit of a tough winter, but you know, we had enough stuff just to kind of cruise by. I think everybody in the construction industry in Canada is having technical difficulties. So I was just happy that we had something, and now we're picking up and everything's good. So I hope it's all good for you all too. So see all the scrapers just sitting there? I don't know if you guys made that out or not, but anywho, we're in the small town of Nobleton. It's really nice around here. I'm almost certain I've put this in some of my motorcycle videos with the Ducati. Yep. So we're gonna just cruise on up north and see what's good. Oh, you know, speaking about haunted stuff a while back, that church right there, I don't know if you guys can make that out or not. So I got a good story for that one actually, if you guys are into all that, but well, too bad. Anywho, so you know I'm in it. So me and an old buddy of mine, we actually a whole bunch of us, we kind of went there, and you know, a long time ago, before YouTube, you'd go online and basically there was how can I say this? Basically a list of places that are haunted, we're gonna call it. And so that place popped up. So we went. Very interesting. Now, I'm gonna say that, yes, we took a whole whack of pictures, and yes, there was pictures in there, but God knows where the hell that camera is, because that was like, I'm gonna say at least, shit, what, 20 years ago? I'll go to speed camera. I don't even know what the fucking speed is here. Okay, 40. God, that's slow. Look. Fucking seriously. Anyway, back to the haunted house. So we went there, and you know, a buddy of mine at the time, he you know, he kind of didn't believe in this shit, right? You know, a lot of people they don't believe in it, and that's okay. That's your choice. That's fine, right? Until you see things and make sense of it, and then you can process it and say yay or nay. That's on you, right? Me, I've seen enough shit. I know what's good, and I know things are afraid of the cross. And that's where I'm kind of like, all right, this is the real deal. So this place in particular, we were there, and you know, like as I said, we had some pictures, whatever, and you know, it was like hot that night, and you're on that little lot. As soon as you go on the lot, it was like 10 degrees friggin' colder. So if I'm not mistaken, there's like a small cemetery that's there as well. Again, it was a long time ago. Might be confusing it with some other grounds. I'm not sure. Oh, there's a random fucking trailer out in the middle of the field. That's hilarious. Anyways, so my buddy didn't feel that good. He started to feel shitty. Wow, that is a big fucking house there. I didn't even realize that it was that big. Crazy. So he didn't feel good. And we're, you know, okay, that's fine, whatever, right? So now this is where it got strange. We're in the car. At the time I had my Audi S4, which was, God knows how long ago. Can't even put it to a number. And so it's like something attached itself to my friend, and we had the radio on, and it was a deck. It looked similar to this, but it was like a Kenwood or something, right? It had all the buttons on the side. It was a screen, you could play DVDs, all that shit. Yes, I had the toggle switch, right? Anywho, so all of a sudden the screen started getting like fuzzy and the radio wasn't working correctly. I'm like, what the fuck's going on, right? So he's like kind of a little bit, you know, keeled over, and he's like, man, I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know. And so we get back to his place and we're watching TV, and all of a sudden it's like through the TV it sounded like a phone call, and the TV went fuzzy, and all of a sudden, so it was ringing on the on the TV, and then his phone started ringing. This was really strange. So his phone rang, he picks up, and all of a sudden he could hear his own voice through the TV. So it was like, and the screen is like fuzzy. The cable was not working, like nothing was working. So he's talking, and it's like an echo through the TV. And all of a sudden the TV just went white, and then it went pa, like that. And that was the end of it. It was like something followed us home, and all this weird shit started happening. But more specifically towards him. So I found that to be so strange, and I'm like, after that day he believed in it, because shit like that just doesn't happen out of the blue. So that's my ghost story for today, kids. Anyway, now back to car stuff. I just find that stuff very fascinating. Look at the fucking sky. Look at this sky. Look, that's crazy. It's like, oh, at least it's kind of dry here, but no, I'm gonna see if I can adjust the angle of that camera. I feel like that's a little better. It doesn't feel better on my head, but it's a little better. This guy's driving like a little bitch. I always want to go down that street over there, but it's like it doesn't look like pavement. It looks more like gravel or something. Yeah, I made sure not to have the radio on today. Man, that was crazy. When I got that copyright warning, I was like, what? Whoa, 26 plus acres, 7,000 square feet. Oh my. I wonder how much that's going for. That's probably like 10 million or something. I'll bet. Something ridiculous. Actually, you know what? This guy's kind of moving pretty good. Now, how cool would that be to have your own pond on your property? That is exactly what I'm looking for. God damn. Try and get up to 9. Highway 9. Also known as Davis Drive. That's funny. They made like a human figure out of like armor stone. It's pretty cool. Yeah, this guy sucks. I brought the drone with me again. I wanted to see if I could, you know, get it up in the air, and again it's raining. Typical. Yeah, super. Just take out a rear mounted turbo and then it starts raining. awesome. I mean, it's not raining hard. And I know it's not, some people are going to say, yeah, but you can fly the drone in the rain. It's like, yeah, you know what? You can go and buy me a new drone because I flew it in the rain, okay? And yeah, when it breaks, then I won't feel so bad. Because I got news for you. Those damn things are so goddamn expensive. So, no thanks. Just fucking wait for it to be sunny. One day, it's funny because it's like, oh good, oh, coming soon, another municipal speed camera. All the way up here too? Really? That's hurting. Fucking hurting. Oh, 43 acres. Okay, now that would be... That'd be great. You fucking slap a motocross track on that puppy. ATV friendly. That beautiful Raptor of mine can actually have some fun. I didn't even realize there's a fucking cemetery right there. Wow, that's crazy. Well, who knew? I didn't know I couldn't do that. Okay, am I just in the retard lane here? I am. Of course. Guess I'm retarded. Perfect. Yep. Used auto parts. Oh, they got all kinds of friggin' hot rods in front there. That'd be kind of cool. Check it out one day. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's SRT8 Boost. If you're new to the channel, we have a variety of vehicles that I like to drive and take you with me on. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. And I'll see you next time. You guys take care.